This is the bad news. Top 10 companies that could continue layoffs in 2023. But you can turn it into a good news and actually help people like these guys are doing and make money in the site. If you go to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, you will see a lot of job and employment tips videos. A lot of them are really good. Definitely you have some experience and you can also learn from these videos, publish your content on these platforms and help people get a new job. And you can earn passive affiliate commissions from promoting well-reputed company like resume.io. Go to their website resume.io, go to the bottom of the page and find affiliates. Sign up using these forms on this page and choose the way you want to get paid. When you click apply now, they will approve you and give you a unique affiliate link. And when you publish a content, put your affiliate link somewhere and in your videos, ask your viewers to click your link to get access to the software so they can make better resume that will help them get a better job. When they upgrade to paid account, you will get paid. This is a great way to earn money by helping others, but it will not really make you $1,000 to $2,000 a day like we make. For that, you need a simpler and easier process that we follow. And we want to show you. For detailed instruction, go to the first comment or in the bio. One of the secrets of earning $1,000 to $5,000 a day like us is to promote offers with high converting and deeper sales funnel. Over 350,000 people search about sales funnel on YouTube every single month. It's because sales funnels generate money. Even on TikTok, sales funnel related videos get a lot of views, hundreds of thousands of views, because it's so important. If you want to learn more, there are two options. Go watch a couple of these videos and a couple of these videos on YouTube and you will literally understand everything. But you can actually start making money from sales funnel building softwares like Go High Level without even knowing what sales funnel is. For that, go to their landing page, then go to the bottom of the page and click become an affiliate. You will be taken to this page and you will get all details about how much money you're going to earn. Then click this button, sign up, and you will be in your dashboard. Then you will find your affiliate link here. Now create helpful content on TikTok, YouTube, and other social media and show your viewers how they can sign up to Go High Level using your link. Just a few sales can help you earn enough money where you can get your own agency unlimited account. Then you can create funnels for other people as a service and earn thousands of dollars for your service. From one knowledge and one software and one affiliate promotion, you can build a whole business. But if this system sounds a little long and complex for you, there is hope. We actually use a much easier system to earn this money. And to know more about our system, check the first comment and in the bio for full instruction, and we will see you there. Let me give you a $1,000 per day affiliate marketing formula by copying others without stealing. Bodybuilding and exercise tips are literally the exact same in all videos. Only the creators change, the actors change. And you will see hundreds of thousands of views in these videos. From our experience of earning $1,000 to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions, 10% of all our views turn into clicks and clicks turn into sales. You can go to ClickBank, go to Marketplace and categories, choose health and fitness, find the products with highest gravity scores like this one 675 and this one 739. Click on the affiliate page, put your affiliate ID here and collect your unique affiliate link and share that link in the comment of your videos. When people will click your links and buy from you, you will earn affiliate commissions. Super simple. But if bodybuilding or health is not your niche and it sounds like a lot of work to you, then use our system, which is easier, simpler, and can work in any niche with 95% work done for you, and it takes only 30 minutes per day. Full instruction is in the first comment and in the bio. Here is a $1,000 per day plan for you. At Upwork.com, people charge $90 per hour for funnel related service. Step number 1, make funnel related 1-minute short videos and publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Become affiliate of GoHighLevel.com funnel builder software. Grab your affiliate link and ask your viewers to buy from you. They pay 40% recurring commission, so just 3 affiliate sales will pay for your own unlimited agency account, which allows you to create unlimited sub accounts for your clients. And this way you can charge even more for hosting clients' funnels on your account. But there are a couple of problems in this system. You see, earning $1,000 per day, charging $90 per hour will take 10 hours of work per day. Doesn't sound easy and not passive at all. But if you want easier and better way to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day from affiliate marketing with 95% work done for you, working 30 minutes of your time per day, then check the instructions in the first comment and in the bio. Brand new $1,000 a day plan for you. According to these articles, a lot of people are going to get laid off in coming months. You can actually help those people and make money at the same time. Step number 1, go to resume.io. Go to the bottom of the page and click on affiliates. You will be taken to this page, resume.io/affiliates/sign up. Fill in this form with your information and choose your deal. Deal number 1, you get paid every time you refer a paid user. And deal number 2, 30% user revenue share. And you'll get paid via PayPal or direct bank account. I personally recommend this program because they have a high rating on Trustpilot. They have free program and they have paid programs as well. Now, the next step would be publishing employment and interview related topics as video, as blog post, as social media post, and help people get a new job. And in your post, highlight the importance of a professional, high quality resume and share your affiliate link with them. Ask them to sign up for free. A lot of them will do it and a lot of them will upgrade to paid offer when you will get paid an affiliate commission. While this is a great way to start, but it will not help you make $1,000 affiliate commissions fast. In order to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day in affiliate commissions like us, you need to do a little different, little simpler and little easier stuff than this. And if you're interested to know more about how we make money as affiliate marketer, check the instruction in the comment and in the bio, and we will see you there. Easy $1,000 per day affiliate commission for you. On TikTok and Facebook, cat care videos go viral fast. Look at this, 23 million views. From our experience, 10% of our views turn into clicks and each click pay us $1 to $8 and we make thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So step number 1, make simple 1-minute videos like this. Go to ClickBank Marketplace, search with cat, look for related product with higher gravity score. This one seems not bad. Look for affiliate page, make sure you check all the instructions and try to collect your affiliate link from here. This way you can get the correct high converting affiliate link. You can also become an Amazon affiliate and promote cat care products, but unfortunately Amazon pays only 1% to 10% affiliate commissions, which is really low. Put your affiliate link in the comment and ask your viewers to check the comment for your link or put it in your bio like they have done. Make sure to ask your viewers to click your links and buy from you. They will buy and you will earn affiliate commissions. One video can change your life. But if this sounds like a lot of work, there is much easier way to earn $1,000 to $2,000 to even $5,000 per day in affiliate commissions just like us. Check the first comment and the bio for detailed instruction and we will see you there. You can start earning affiliate commissions like us by helping people who are about to get laid off. These unfortunate articles in authority sites forecast that a lot of people are going to get laid off in next couple of months. But you can help them with tips and information on how to get a new job and a better job. Create helpful content and post on social media, video sites, and your blogs. And in your content, promote softwares and services like resume.io. They have great user rating and they pay their affiliates well. Go to this page, resume.io/affiliate/sign up, fill in this form and become an affiliate and put your affiliate link in your content. Your audience can start using for free, but once they upgrade to paid account, you will earn commission. But to be honest, making $1,000 to $2,000 a day using this method is not easy. To make this kind of money, you need to do a little different than that. And if you want to know more about it, check my bio and the comment for more information. Here is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Put some image, text on top and read the text. Turn it into a video. Publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And here is the most beautiful part. If you click on their profile, in their bio, you'll find a link. This link takes visitors to their website where they sell related products. They even have an opt-in pop-up. So they're collecting email addresses. This is exactly how we run our business and we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions. But our process is much simpler than that. To know more, check the first comment and let's make $1,000 a day. But before that, look at Fox News. Elon Musk says he faces quite significant risk of being assassinated. Bad news. And Fox Business earns $100 million to $200 million per year publishing good news and bad news. And they have an outstanding number of 39 million visitors per month. You can do it too. Have a WordPress news site, publish news the moment it comes out. Share on social media like Fox Business does. Look at this. A big part of their traffic come from Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube. You can do it too. But the problem is, if you fail to publish news the moment it breaks out, your visitors will leave your site and go to other websites and you will lose money. So this is not a side hustle. It's beyond 9 to 5. But if you're looking for something simpler, easier, beginner friendly, that pays $1,000 to $5,000 per sell affiliate commissions, just like us, then check the instruction in the comment and in the bio.